Here's a little something I've been following for a while. We haven't touched on it yet. Let's talk about it. Linux isn't just beating OS Mac in gaming, it's taking over the entire creative professional pipeline. And honestly, this might be the biggest tech shift nobody's talking about. For years, OS Mac had the reputation you're creative, you use a Mac. That's what the gospel. That was the gospel. That was the identity. That was the brand. But here's the truth in 2026. The creative world, the real industrial scale creative world runs on Linux. Hollywood, Linux. VFX, Linux. Animation, Linux. Rendering farms, Linux. AI workflow, Linux. Game developers, increasingly Linux. And now gaming itself. Linux just passed OS Mac. This isn't a trend, it's a migration. Why did this happen? Because Apple locked the door while Linux opened the gate. Apple built a big walled garden, but it's still a garden, small, curated, controlled. But Linux built a continent. Studios want control. Creators want flexibility, pipelines want automation, render farms want efficiency. AI workflow wants raw access to hardware. OS Mac can't give them that. OS Linux can give all of them things. Hollywood figured this out 15 years ago. Pixar, Linux. DreamWorks, Linux. Weta, Linux. ILM, Linux. Every major VFX house in Canada, Linux. Mac OS used the storyboard concept art, maybe editing, but the heavy lifting, all Linux. And now the blender has US dollar Vulkan and open standards are exploding. The tools that used to be Mac only are losing their grip. Then gaming fell, and that was the culture shift. Steam Deck made Linux cool. Proton made Linux practical. Gamers made Linux normal. And once gamers moved, the creators followed because creators are gamers. Animators are gamers. VFX artists, gamers. YouTubers, gamers. macOS never cared about gaming. Linux embraced it. And here's the Canadian angle, the one that's going to get people fired up. Canada is now the biggest film and TV production hub in the world. Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, they're basically Hollywood North. And guess what those studios run? Linux, everywhere. OS Mac is the laptop you bring to the meeting. Linux is the machine you do the actual movie making with. That's the Apple part fans don't want to hear. Creators want ownership, studios want control, professionals want reliability, gamers freedom. Linux gives them all of that. Mac OS gives the permission if Apple approves. The world is waking up to the difference. That's the sovereignty angle. The year of Linux was never about desktops, it was about pipelines. And the pipelines already switched. Gaming was just the part the public finally noticed. Like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.